Question 1E, the last question of part 1, is asks you to predict whether the atom of strontium will have an atomic radius larger than, smaller than, or the same size as the atomic radius of rubidium, and explain your answer. So what I've done is I've just had a look at the periodic table, had a look to see what the atomic number of rubidium was and strontium. They're right next to each other, 37 and 38. So what's happening is that as you move from the left hand side of the periodic table to the right, you are adding a proton each time. Now the effect of that is that you've got more positive charge in the nucleus, and therefore the electrons are pulled in towards that nucleus because they're attracted more. So rubidium, with its 37 positive charges in here of protons, would have a certain distance. If we were to then add another proton and have 38 protons, yes, we're adding another electron, but the overall effect is it gets smaller. Okay, not a very good diagram there, but it will get smaller. So for a 3-mark question, for 1 mark, you needed to say it got smaller. So strontium will be smaller than rubidium. The reason for it is that the strontium has more protons. Okay, and the reason that we can definitely say it gets smaller because there's more protons is because it's in the same period. So the last point is in the same period, or another way of saying that, it has the same number of shells. So either of those to get the 3rd mark.